All right, so we are here looking at what is on our agenda for the day, okay? And you're going to do Think It Through Thursday, typing.com. You're going to finish O, B, and A keys, then begin V, H, and M keys. Now, for PLTW Activity 1.2, what to do. When I open this up, I'm going to scroll down to Flowcharts. Okay, you're going to read this information. And then these are the symbols that are used for flowcharting. Beginning and ending always starts with an oval. Command starts with a rectangle. Decision is going to be a rhombus. And to move on to the next step, you're going to use an arrow. So we're looking at two different types of flowcharts. Okay, two different types. And they are called conditional and linear flowcharts. Conditional and linear flowcharts. So this is under the lesson presentation for today, and I'll bring that over for you to view. In just a minute, okay? So here is the flowchart from the video that we watched the other day in class, and it was talking about how we are looking at how to plan a party. Okay, these are the steps for how to plan a party. Notice the oval signifies that it's going to begin, and then each step for planning a party is in a rectangle. A rectangle shows an action. It's a command, something you have to do. And then notice the oval represents ending. Okay, all right, so we're going to look at this next. Here are the two different types of flowcharts. You have a linear flowchart and you have a conditional flowchart. The linear flowchart goes straight down. It starts with beginning, and then you have each step of the algorithm, and then end. In a conditional flowchart, you have a condition. With a condition, you are going to answer yes or no, or true or false. So beginning, give students either a red or white shirt. Put on the shirt. Assign students to the field trip bus according to their shirt color. Do you have a red shirt on? If you have a red shirt, what bus are you riding? If you are riding bus number 2, what color shirt do you have on? So all the kids get to the field trip, and they are all wearing a specific color of shirt, and they're riding on 2 different buses. The end. Good job. Okay? Oops. All right. So that is our lesson for today, linear versus conditional. I'm going to go back to our agenda, and under the agenda, you're going to be working on an assignment called drag and drop flowcharting. Let's open this up. And here are your steps, okay? You have to make sure that these are all on the top, and by doing that, you're going to select and then press shift and select each one. Make sure you select one and then press shift. Go to arrange, order, and you're going to bring them to the front. So now when I drag over my start, it will show on top of my purple. When I drag out my end, it's going to show onto my purple. And then here are all the different steps that you have to put in order of your flowchart.